Hey everybody, hopefully you're all having an awesome day today. Welcome back to WireDogSec. I got another video for you guys. Before we get into it, hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Comment below on your thoughts and opinions on the information shared. All that good stuff helps out the channel, helps get the good word out there for any up and coming cybersecurity professionals. All right, let's get into it here. Now I'm currently going through the LPP course by TCM Security. I'm enjoying it a lot. I just wanted to stop and present something that I found relatively useful and that I could use in a possible CTF or pen test engagement, what have you. Anyway, there's a section in the course where it goes over like password spraying and stuff like that. And the section here goes over, let's say you did some type of open source intelligence, OSINT, right, on some company out there, and you found like the about page that goes over, the higher ups at the organization, like CEO, CFO, any type of higher up or any type of list of employees at the organization. I was like, okay, we'll have, first name, last name. Well, how can I possibly come up with their actual usernames? Okay, well, a possible solution to that problem is to use this script called name mash. It's a Python script. And as you see here, this is the list of names that you found, right? Yeah, just save it to a text file, right? And you go in, you're going to run this name mash.py script on those names, all right? Go ahead and run it. And as you can see here, it comes up with various different username formats that you could use for a possible password spraying attack on the target. So anyway, I just really like this right here. And if you enjoyed the information, be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and comment below your thoughts and opinions. I'll have the link to the actual course in the description box, and I will have a link to this Python script on GitHub. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. I just want to throw this in the video real quick. This is the course I'm currently taking by TCM Security, Movement, Pivoting, and Persistence for pen testers and ethical hackers. Now, if you have any experience with TCM Security, they have a lot of good material in their courses. It'll help you break into whatever type of security area you wish to get into. A lot of it's focused on offensive security testing. There is a Windows Forensics course in there for any type of cyber defenders out there that are looking into getting educated and training in that space. But this one is specifically geared towards offensive penetration testing, as you can tell from the title itself. Course overview. So the next step in your penetration testing ethical hacking journey, most engagements are conducted remotely, meaning that the tester must have the ability to move about freely from outside of the network into it. Do this with various techniques, and it goes over, you can read the rest there, but it goes over stuff you'll learn in here, different topics, username, password, list generation, which I just showed you how to do that username generation, password spraying, email phishing, C2 stuff, credential harvesting, passing. I mean, this just sounds very exciting if you're looking into the penetration testing space or the offensive security space. You're going to learn some good stuff from here. I'm only about 30% through the course, but I'll probably do a review of the course whenever I finish it. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like, some of the stuff that you'll see in here, all that interesting knowledge that you'll attain when you take this exam, or sorry, this course, which is only 30 bucks, very affordable. And TCM Security tends to do a lot of discounts and promotions. Just make sure to follow their social media on Twitter, on LinkedIn, and get those discounts. They'll probably have one coming up for Black Friday, so be on the lookout for that.